In my wheel, keep it real, dug in my field, to the day I feel, keep it trill, anything I feel.
Quick video on my progress so far. I got about 3 more boxes coming in by next week, so that way I can get my supercharger installed finally. But this right here, this box that came in, this is actually from PHASTEK Performance. So excuse me, I really needed this part right here, so that way I can try to complete the kit and get it all installed and all that good stuff. So shout out to Ricardo for always taking care of me, man. You know what I'm saying? Every time I hit him up, my man comes through. Shout out to Gabe. He's the one who always takes care of my order for me, man, and gets this product shipped out like ASAP. They did the same thing for me last year for SEMA 2017. I told them I needed the gauge pod for the sides, so shout out to Glow Shift. Prime ZLS 10 get you 10% discount with Glow Shift. I got my gauges in and all that good stuff. It was crunch time. PHASTEK Performance came through and got my gauge pod for the dual gauge pod set up. So this one is actually the other one that I need for the boost gauge. I'm waiting for my boost gauge to get here. It says it's scheduled for it to get here by Monday. So as soon as that comes in, I'll do another unboxing video to show you guys the boost gauge. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this up, so that way I'm going to skip this part in the video and open it up so that way you can see what's in it. 1 second, hang on. Alright, you guys, so I got it cut open, so we're just going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at what we got inside. Now, I have a 2013 Camaro, so for my boost gauge, what you do is you have this little cover on your car right now that comes with the factory piece, and it doesn't have that little round pod right there for the gauge. But what all you got to do is just literally, this just snaps right off. You just pull it up, the factory one, you just lift it up this way, it comes right off, swap it out, and you're good to go. Thank you, PHASTEK Performance. Thank you, Glow Shift. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I appreciate it.